We will be discussing the Pythagorean Theorem, uses of the Pythagorean Theorem, and the Pythagorean Triples. If any of the two sides of a right triangle are given, the third side can be solved using the Pythagorean Theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. For example, if you have a right triangle, A, B, and C, if you know A and B, you can solve for C by applying this equation. Or if you know B and C, you can solve for A using this equation. For example, we have a right triangle, 6 and 8 are two of the sides. You can solve for C by applying this formula. So substituting the values, A is 6, B is 8, is equal to c squared. 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 8 is 64, is equal to c squared. 36 plus 64 is 100, is equal to c squared. To get c, we need to get the square root of both sides. So square root of c squared is c, square root of 100 is 10. So c is equal to 10. Here's another example. We have A, this is 12, this is 13. So we just apply it to the equation. A squared is equal to A squared plus 12 squared is equal to 13 squared. 12 times 12 is 144. 13 times 13 is 169. So to remove 144, we need to subtract 144 to both sides so that we can solve for A. A squared plus 144 minus 144 is equal to 169 minus 144. So this can cancel out. A squared is equal to 169 minus 144 is 25. To get A, we get the square root of both sides. Square root of A squared is A. Square root of 25 is 5. So A is equal to 5. Now, usually using Pythagorean theorem, you will have inexact numbers. I'll give you an example. We have a right triangle. This is 5, this is 6, and you don't know C. So applying this formula, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So that will be 5 squared plus 6 squared is equal to C squared. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36, is equal to C squared. Now 25 plus 36 is equal to 61. If you get the square root of 61, this will be 7.810249 ... It is not exact. It is not an exact numbers. It is not an exact number. But there are Pythagorean triples where all the sides are exact numbers. For example, 3, 4, and 5. It means that if you have a triangle with the 3 and 4, the third side will be exactly 5. So if this is 3, this is 4, this will be exactly 5. Or you can have multiples of this number like 6, 8, and 10. These are also exact numbers. Other examples are 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, and 17. So these are Pythagorean Theorem triples. So if you see it in your exams, they give you 3 and 4. This will be 5. Or if they give you an example, this is 5, this is 12, and this is a right triangle, you don't have to use the equation. This will be 13. So that's the Pythagorean theorem.